You just open the learner folder. You click on a Power Query folder. You click on 8 June. You see here one folder is there, drill up, drill down, right? You click on this one. One file is there, right? You click on drill down, drill up chart, right? Power Query, 8 June. Folder is there, right? Drill up, drill down. Everybody can check developer is there, no? Developer tab in front of you. Okay, everybody confirm developer is there, no? You sir, everybody confirm just right. Should be confirmed there. Developer tab is active or no? Okay, right now click on developer. Okay, you see here com add-ins. Com add-ins. You can select here Microsoft Power Pivot. You see one option is there, Microsoft Power Pivot. You can check, right? You click on developer. You see here com add-ins. You see here Microsoft Power Pivot. Okay. Click OK, right? The Power Pivot is comes in front of you, right? Is okay, miss? It's clear? Power Pivot in front of you, right?
Yeah.
Good. Power Pivot and OK, right? Is it clear? In the top, right? Here, right? Is it clear up to this one? Okay, can you copy and paste in new workbook, right? How can quickly done? Press Control A, Control C, copy, right? Okay, sir. Control N for new workbook, right? Control N. Just press enter. Don't Control V, right? Just press enter only. Data is copy here, right? Is okay? Otherwise, you can right click, move and copy, create a copy, go to new workbook. Then so many steps are doing, right? So you can quickly done from here. Control A is the shortcut key for current region, right? If you select on the blanks, then press Control A, entire sheet select. Is okay? So right now my database here, right? Do you know how can column autofit? What is shortcut key column autofit? Alt O C A is okay. Alt O C A is the shortcut key column autofit. Is it clear? Alt O, you see one window is come, right, in top. The window is comes in the top. You press C, press A. My columns are autofit, right? Or if you would like to column width are equal distribute, right? Otherwise you can select all together, right? You came from here. If you can drag from here, this is equal, right? All widths are equally distribute, right? If you don't want to select, my cursor is here only, right? If I'm select only data, Control A, then I would like to equal width. Then you press Alt O C W, column width, right? Okay, sir. Alt O C W. W means width, right? Then you can put number here, right? Maybe put here 14, 13. I put here 14, right? So my all columns width are equally. Not one big column, not one second column, right? Right? Have you got it, sir? No. Show me, sir, here. You just right click and tap, right? You see customizer button. On the right hand side, see developer is here, right? Okay, click OK, right? You see developer here. You see comment. You can select here, right? Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And click OK. Your table is coming, right? Is it clear? You see this table name is also, right? How can see this is a table, right? You see table design in the top. What is this table name is? Sales, right? I just changed the name. What my table name is? D sales. Database sales, right? Enter. Is it clear? Okay, everybody is at same level. Is okay, miss? press Control C. Control N.
Control?
N. Press Enter. It's not coming. When you use Control N.
This one.
Control
Control T. Control T. Come.
Yes. Then Control T, right? Press Control. You don't put heading, right?
Yeah, not today.
Why is not coming? No. Data is not full, right? You can delete this one. Okay. Go back there. This is your data, right? You can
No, I
select from
just
there.
make from delete on this one.
You make this one.
I just
Okay, no
copy
problem.
paste.
It's okay, this one. This one is clear.
Yeah, it's clear, but
Is that clear? Up to this level, right? I create one chart here, right? Chart like this one. I have one chart only. If I click on manager 1, automatically tell us who is supervisor, right? Under supervisor, who is employees? This employee which products are due, right? So that is called drill down, drill up chart. Okay. So this is my database here. Then go to Power Pivot. You see here Power Pivot. You see here Add Data Model. You click on the Add Data Model. New window is open, right? Is okay. This is a new one is coming, right? The same table name shows are here, right? Same table names which I have defined it, that shows are here, right? You see there are three things are there, right? Data view and diagram view. You click on diagram view. When you click on diagram view, my tables like here, right? All the fields come back here. I just increase the size here, right? Okay. Clear? Right now I am create a hierarchy is there. First is manager, then supervisor, under supervisor, employee, under employee, product. When you click on there on the top, you see here create a hierarchy. You click on this button. You can define the hierarchy name, right? Okay, I put maybe name, double click here, delete, sales, right? Okay, I just give the name, right? Enter. Because sale is already there, so I change, right? Sales 1 maybe, right? Sales 1. Is that clear? Is that clear? I just this one, right? You can hold this manager and drag in those sales, right? You just move field, right? The sales move here, right? I just drag here and drop here, right? The manager shows are here, right? Can you do again supervisor also? supervisor also come, right? GC employee, you click on sales one, right? You click on sales one, then automatically comes down, right? You see product, you can drag, right? You don't pick sales, okay sir? Don't need. I need hierarchy only, manager, supervisor, employee and product. Is it clear? After this create a hierarchy, you come back in data view. You click on data view, right? Then you see here pivot table also. Command is available, pivot table. You click on pivot table. You see pivot table here. Then small window is coming only. New, right? New worksheet. Before you, when you open the pivot, then so many options come, right? But in this power pivot only shows new worksheet, existing sheet, right? So just click on new, right? You click OK. So right now you see this is your, all the fields are here, right? You see here sales, these sales, right? You click on there, these sales, there are two things are come, right? One is your hierarchy is coming, sales, and second is your own data. Okay, there are two tables are basically here, right? I just click on here tables. I just click on more fields, right? So I have two tables comes are here, right? Okay.
Can you repeat, please?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure. No, actually, because when we click the power keyboard, I cancel it. I press the new.
Okay. Up to this one is okay, clear?
Yes, that one is clear. But when I come here.
So you come here, then go to here, right? Power pivot data model.
Okay. That doesn't go.
Is already there, right?
Yeah, it's I'm
See
done with
diagram,
it.
these are right? Then go to pivot table, right? You see sales, right? See here, right?
Okay.
Is it clear? Okay, you can see there are two signs are come, right? If you want to go again power pivot, you click on manage, right? If you want to again go to power pivot, you click on manage this sign, right? Or if you want to come back to see Excel logo is there in the top, right? You see if I click on there, manage, power pivot window is open, right? If you want to come back in Excel sheet, then we'll click in the top, right? You see Excel logo here. You click on Excel logo, right? So come back on Excel workbook, right? Okay, right now I create here chart, right? First name create a data. I click on here hierarchy, right? You see this is my create hierarchy is there. I just click on sales. I just click on sales. My all fields come here, right? You see plus sign is coming, right?
Yeah.
So my odd hierarchy under this, right? You just pick from here sales because I need a sale, right? How much sales of manager 1, how much sales of manager 2, how much sales of manager 3, right? I just click on sales, right? When I click on sales, sales shows are here, right? Is clear? After this, you know, when you create a pivot tables, this is not clear what is this, right? Row label, I don't know what means, right? So by default, how many layouts? Report layout, right? By default, this one is compact form. Second form is called outline. Third form is called tabular, right? How many report layouts? 3. By default is compact, right? Second is outline. Third one is tabular, right? Okay. You see how can change. I just see on the top pivot table analyze and design. And click on the design. You see here report layout. You see there are three forms, right? Show in compact form, show in outline form, show in tabular form. I just change from here, right? Show in tabular form. So my headings are clear, right? Before I don't know which fields, right? So right now you know what is the field name, right? Product maybe. Okay, after this, because my chart titles are changed according to my hierarchy, right? So I create one formula here, concatenate text with my this field, right? I just put here equal sign, use double quote. I put here sales of space double quote close. Do you know how to concatenate? How can join? This is my text, right? I would like to text join with my cell, right? How can, otherwise you can use command, right? Concatenate. But I don't want to use command. Then I use ampersand, shift 7, right? And sign basically used for concatenate, right? Which cell you want to join? Manager, right? You just click on there, on the manager, press enter, right? So automatically made sales of manager, right? Okay, do you know how can create a chart, right? Do you know a pivot table analyze? When I create a pivot table, you see here pivot table analyze. You see here pivot chart. Pivot chart. Which one? Column chart, right? My chart is coming here, right? On the basis of this, right? You see again my cursor here, right? Then I click on pivot table analyze. You see pivot chart. Choose the clustered column chart, right? Double click, right? Is clear? Okay, how can you don't want to show these fields, right? These fields are when you create a chart through pivot, that this field will also come, button is come, right? But you don't want to show buttons. I want to see normal chart. I just hide, right? How can I hide? Just right click here. You see hide all buttons. Okay, chart title also change, right? Chart title is also changed. When I click under manager 1, then manager shows the supervisor, right? Heading change automatically, right? When heading change, title also change, right? How can chart title link with my cell? I click on chart title, go to formula bar, equal sign, give the reference of this cell, right? Where I'm write a formula, right? I'm just give the reference of this, right? Press enter. My chart title change, right? Control B, bold, right? It's clear? Do you know how can fill the different color, right? I would like to the different colors. How can different colors? Otherwise you can right click, go to the format data series, then window is come, right? On the right hand side. You press here control 1. When you press control 1, automatically comes a property, right? Control 1. The fill button is coming, right? You see the property series is come, right? No need to right click, go to format data series, then window is come. What is shortcut key? Control 1. Okay. Can I choose here bucket, fill? You see vary colors? You click on vary colors, my colors change, right? Right now your legend also change, right? Legend is manager 1 is blue color, right? Manager 2 is orange color. Manager 3 is there, right? That is called legend, right? That is called chart area, right? When you click on there, that is called plot area. Okay. How many areas? 3. Okay. I just click on my cursor on that legend. You press Control 1. When you press Control 1, automatically legend options are active, right? My legend option is come, right? Can you choose option here? Top, left, right. So I choose here option is bottom, right? I just choose option is bottom, right? Is it clear? My legend shows in the bottom. I just click here, right? Outside. You just double click on manager 1. Double click manager 1, chart change, right? That shows under manager 1 who is supervisor, right? Automatically your heading change, right? Therefore, I create like this, right? If I would like to see under supervisor 1 who is employed, right? Yeah, under supervisor 2 who is work employee, right? So I'm just click on second one, right? Double click. When you double click, that shows under this supervisor who is employed. Under this employee, which products are deal, right? I just double click again here. That shows are here, right? So that shows the product 10, product 12, product 14, product 16. So that is my hierarchy is creating. Is it clear?
No, maybe I selected the other one. You selected first one, correct? I selected how to come back?
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, I got lost. This one I got lost.
Who is employed? This is a poll employees.
From the beginning. Mahirap na ay
Okay, this one, right? Firstly, I go here, right? See, data model.
Pero
See, here is diagram. Hierarchy is coming, right? Similarly, you see, there is pivot. New worksheet, right? Click OK. The table is coming, right? Click on hierarchy. You can choose here sales, right? You see here pivotable at design. You can choose to put here. Show in tabular form, right? You can choose from here, right? Style. Can you write from here? Equal, double quotes. Sales off, right? Or space. Then end sign. That's good, right? Then you get a chart, right? Then you go to lines. You see your chart. Okay. Chart is coming like. Can you link this one also? Go from the bar. Equal, link this that, right? Enter. Just right click here. I also. You give a different color, right? Control 1. You see bucket is coming, right? See this one, where is color? You can select this one also. Control 1 again. To go back to the tolerance one there, right? Control says double click, right? When you
the
here.
beginning.
You see, drill up, drill down, right? Up to one level, one level.
But I want to
So control is it working?
Is it clear, miss?
how to go back to
Yes. I just double click again there, right? You see in the pivot table analyze, you see here also drill up, right?
yes.
You click on drill up to what level you come back, right? If you would like to come back manager level, supervisor level, employee level, right?
But they love this not working. Yeah.
Double click, right? 2 times click, only select one bar, not all bars.
Oh, it's okay. So I have to select one.
One bar only. No?
Now it's shown. Sorry.
No, it's clear? Sometimes you want to present your boss, right? Not separate chart, right? So you want to show one chart only. You tell us, sir, under this department, how many manager, right? Under this manager, who is subordinate, right? So you can present like how much sales salaries are there, right?
I have a question.
Yes.
For sales of manager,
Yes.
you have a space between.
Yeah, I just
and
came here,
manager.
right?
Because when you give the space.
You just
I
give.
the space.
Yes, I do give, right?
After all, that's why.
You will manage there, right? Is it clear? Everybody done? Good, right? So this is your drill up, drill down chart, right? Using the technique of power pivot. If you don't have power pivot, you cannot do. Okay? Therefore, I create a power pivot also, right? Sometimes you want to create a multiple tables, right? You do create a pivot tables multiple. Some fields pick from here, some fields from here, some fields pick from another one. Right? So you can also do using the power pivot also, right?
Power pivot and power chart, right?
Yeah, power query, right? Also.
Power query.
Is clear this one? So this is the one technique is there, right? Okay, last time I am doing one exercise, append data from same workbook. Okay. Then after create a dashboard, right? Can I do again this one?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because somebody is not there, right? So I can repeat this one, same one. Okay. Then I create dashboard, right? How can I create a dashboard on the basis of this? When you insert new data, you refresh it, chart also change, right?
Yes.
Okay. So right now I'm going to again. You have come back Buladna folder. You see here append data from table. Last day I'm doing same exercise, right? Append data from folder. Power query folder, right? 8 June folder. I'm creating like this one, right?
Can you please again?
Okay. You go to Buladna. You see here power query.
Power query, yes.
You click on there power query, right?
Yes.
Age. You see here last file, right? Append data from table.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. I click on this, right?
Okay. Okay.
So my this different tables are come right inside. Okay, can you copy only 3 products, right? 3 services. Okay. Do you know how can copy and paste new workbook, right?
Yes.
Press Control A, Control C, Control N, enter, right? Is okay, this one? First table is moved, right?
Control C, Control N.
Can I create second one? Click on maintenance. You select here Control A, Control C, Alt Tab, put here, right? Enter, right? The second service is coming, right? Third one also going to catering. Control A, Control C, Alt Tab, go to new worksheet, right? Press enter, right? I have three services, right? First table is I don't. This is total no need, right? I would like to total remove, right? Then I go to table design. You see here total row. You can uncheck, right? Option is there, total row uncheck. So this total is removed, right? Is that clear, sir? I have three, right? Three services. First table is double click here, maintenance, right?
Yes.
Second is cleaning, right? I'm just changing, right? Okay, cleaning, right? Next one is catering, right? Then I change the name also, right? Okay, I just change same, right? Maybe cleaning here, right? Cleaning according to my table, right? Because cleaning is already there. This is the maintenance, right? Maintenance one. This is your cleaning one. Then I change, right? I just click here, there, catering, right?
Again.
This one is clear.
I will do it again. Only this one. Okay. Cleaning
Is that clear?
wait, sir.
After this one, I have three tables, right?
Same, right? Same
Yes,
data.
same structure.
Then
Values are different,
again.
right? Values are different. Values are not same.
1.8, 1.8.
You see, there is the values are different. I go to cleaning, the values are different, right? You see, maintenance are different, right? You see, catering values are different. You can check also table name. You go to table design. You can give the name, right? Catering. Okay, sir? Second table name is maintenance. I click on there, go to table design. You can check name, right? You can go to cleaning. What is the table name? Cleaning. Okay, sir? I have three tables, right?
Why do you have
Then your previous one. Just write this here. Okay. You will copy, right? Delete a copy. No one, right? That's okay. First you will come to right. All clear, right? You can check to right. Right click. Delete a copy. neighbor is very intelligent.
Yeah, I will ask her.
She is helping you, right?
Ask her.
Because first right of the neighbor, right? It's okay, sir? Okay, sir, right now I create here what is my requirement now, right? My requirement is there, my all tables are append, right? Copy paste down, right? I create one table only. I create one sheet, my all tables in my workbook get together, right? How can do, right? Otherwise then copy paste, right? Or next time if you have new tables are insert, then automatically update, right? No need to do yourself. Okay? Append means addition the row, right? Append means appending data, right? But heading should be same, right? Each table heading should be same. Then you can do, right? Is clear? How can do this one? Maybe create any sheet anywhere. You just click on data. Okay, sir? And go to flow, right? Is clear? Click on data. You see here get data. You see here from other sources. You see last one blank query. So my blank query window is open, right? You see new window is open.
Yes.
Power Query Editor, right? Right now you see first thing this is query one, right? Later I will be changing, right? Firstly I would like to write a formula here, right? Which formula I'm using here if you want to combine data same workbook, right? I'm learning two things are today, right? One thing same workbook, another thing different workbooks, right? Every month you get new file, right? January separate, February separate, March separate, but heading should be same, right? How can combine, right? So that is another topic is append data from the folder, right? In folder I have different 7 workbooks, maybe 9 workbooks, right? How can combine, right? So right now I have append data same workbook. In the same workbook how many tables? 3, right? How can do like this one? So I write from the here equal E capital. You can type less or small, right? Excel, right? When you type here, automatically this commands come, right? When you can type Excel, you see new version automatically come. I have old version. I write myself, right? You can select only. The new version automatically this command shows. When you type Excel dot current, then W capital, right? Workbook. This command you can select only, right? Then use parenthesis close, right? You just use this one only, right?
Sorry if I'm not remember this one, I will message you.
Yes. Maybe you send the whole workbook.
You didn't remember all. Please bear with me.
You just put your name only.
Right, Magaling.
Excel, right? Dot current, right? But you don't type, right? You already command there, right? Is okay, sir? You just select. Later I will show another option, right? There is one showroom I will be design one same technique, right? One my student, he is a manager is there, BMW showroom, Lucet, right? Under the Al Fardan. So he is sending to me, sir, please do for me to tomorrow I have presentation, right? So I am done. So I will be done, then sending again, right? In Power BI. Okay, the same technique you can use also, right? This is basically is base of Power BI. This is also part of this. I will show later, right? How can do. Okay, this is when I click OK, automatically my all table shows are here, right? You see how many tables are there? 3. Yes, because you Excel, right? You can just write from here, Excel, right? Keep the Excel, sir. This one current, right? Is Excel? E capital, right? This one, right? Can you use that as start, that is close, right? Just enter. Okay, there is a case sensitive, right? If you take small letter is not big, right? C is capital, W is capital, right? But by default, your new version is coming. Don't worry, right? You just use path start, path close. Okay, sir. If you click on the blanks here, blank area here, you just click here, right? That shows table here, right? Okay. If you click on the second one, second table show, right? If you click here, sir, third table show, right? This is my services, right? But Power Query give the name only. Can I change heading? I just double click on name. Okay, just double click on the name. I just type the name, right? Services. Enter, right? It's clear? Just double click on the name, right? Okay, firstly I have select this query name, right? What is the query name? This by default shows query 1. But I rename, right? Combine or append as you want, right? I can change the name is combine. Okay, sir. Query name is combine. You can select also this one, copy, right? Control C. Okay, sir. Give the name and copy also. You click on here, right? In the gray area. So right now you see table names also change here, right? When these query names run, new tables are also created Excel workbook, right? In the name of combine. But next time I don't want to include my query, right? I pick only my database sheets, only my tables, right? Not pick combine altogether. Therefore, I am doing one exercise here. Go to filter button. Okay. Then I go to text filter. You see does not contain. Window is come, right? Control V, right? Paste. Okay. Click OK, sir. Do you know which steps I'm doing on the right hand side? Show, right? That is your source, right? Second step is rename column, right? Third column is filter row, right? Is okay? All the steps are recorded. Then you see there are 2 arrows come, right? Like this one, right? Click there. When you click, my all the heading shows are here, right? My all tables headings are here, right? You uncheck this option, right? Use original column name as table, right? Then click OK. So my all tables are combined here, right? Is it clear? Okay, right now this is my last column is my services, right? Okay, sir. Last column. Then I can reorder, right? I just drag and move after the outlets. Okay, sir. After the outlets, I just reorder the column. you see when you click on the ABC 1 to 3, right? Because outlet is not proper format. Power Query doesn't understand which type of data, right? Then you can correct. You are doing the correct option. You can choose from ABC. You see text. You just change the format, right? Because this is outlet, is the format is text. So I'm choose here text, right? Can you tell me this is W1, week 1, right? That is your numbers, right? Not decimals. You click on ABC 1 to 3, right? You see if the decimal, you choose decimal option, right? If you want to see decimal also. If you don't want to round figure, right? Then I choose whole number, right? Can I do also here 1 to 3? Same exercise, right? Whole number, right? Whole number and whole number, right? It's clear? My all steps are done, right? Then I go to close and load in the home tab. You see close and load. Okay, sir? In the home tab, then go to close and load, right? You click there. So my new sheet is come, right? In the name of combine, right? My query is run. My data is combined now, right? Is okay? But I have one problem here, right? If I create a pivot table, I cannot do weekly report, right? Okay, weekly, I need a weeks. I need one more column is here, weeks. All weeks are shown in transform form, right? I need only 4 columns, right? Right now I need this column is there W1, but I need one column is there weeks. All weeks shows there, right? And in front of sales. Then what can I do now? I have one mistake here, right? I can do columns. I need one more column is weeks, right? My all weeks are shown every week, every services, right? That is command is called unpivot columns, right? Unpivot columns, right? How can again go to Power Query? Okay. How can again go to Power Query? You just double click on combine. You see here data query and connection. You double click on again, right? Double click. Again, same Power Query window is open, right? Yes, sir. You already did, right? It's okay. I can here. At this position is again, right? Okay, sir. Right now, I need one more columns are here. I like this one. First one is outlets. Second is services. Next column is weeks. Then I need sales, right? I need 4 columns only, right? Is okay? How can select this one, right? I click on this week 1. Maybe shift key hold, right? Shift key hold, right arrow, right? Shift key hold and right arrow, right arrow, right arrow, right? Week 1 to week 6. Okay? Just right click here. You see last option is there, right? Unpivot only selected columns. Unpivot only selected columns. Option is there, right?
ஹலோ சொல்லுங்கண்ணா 2 இன்ச்சு கோசம் என்ன வச்சு 2 இன்ச்சு இருக்கும் நான் செக் பண்ணி பார்த்து சொல்கிறேன் இருக்கான்னு நான் இப்போ இதில் ட்ரைனிங்கில் இருக்கேன் நான் ஈவினிங் போகிற பார்த்து சொல்கிறேன் அது லஞ்சுக்கு போகிறப்ப சொல்கிறேன் லஞ்சுக்கு போகிறப்ப
Yes.
The neighbor is forgetting already, sir. He wants, she wants to.
Like this, right?
Yeah. No, not mine. Not me. We got lost also.
This is your right? You go to table 9 and just me.
Table is
Table 3. You can choose from right side, you can select here, this is minimum work rate. This table name is cat right? This cleaning, okay, you go to right, table 9, you can choose cash work, anything else. On that, you see tax color is there, you got it right. You choose this number. Because we don't properly calculate. Here we want
Control C, Control A, Control C.
Speak cells.
this is convex. You can say convex.
You can go file
Control A, Control C.
All tab, come back to that.
that options.
Right here, insert correction.
No need that. Directly there is a the bar there is a arrow mark down. One symbol is the last. Same that top the smiley top side. You can click. After it will coming more commands.
Yeah, I remember. Then you have to
Select all commands.
It's okay. Adding is convex. This is okay. This is also convex. You will do right. Go to data. Get data. From the sources. Line coding. From the sources, right? Then right here,
One.
5 pixels. See the There's no decimal, right?
Yeah.
The decimal you can include decimal. Then I go to row and first name shift keyboard up to this level, right?
Ayan na siya.
Okay.
Ayan.
Okay, sir. Right now I just select here unpivot, right? Unpivot only selected columns. Click OK, right? You see automatically my weeks are shifted, right? Can I double click this one? Right? Double click on this one. Can put here weeks. This is your sales, right? Double click here. Sales. It's clear, miss? Right now I can go again, right? Close and load, right? So my table is coming like this, right? Is okay?
Too much. No, because for us it's second time. Oh, that's why. That's why we are okay. At least we know the tab.
Is that clear? Okay, right now I need a dashboard, right? I need outlet report, I need services report, I need weekly report, right? So I need a dashboard, right? On the basis of this, right? Okay, I just click here, then go to insert, pivot table, right? You click on pivot table. You see, table name automatically came because I already defined table name, right? But when your query is run, right, then table names are automatically defined. Click OK. So right now you have seen on the pivot table option, right? Done? Yeah. Okay, sir. Right now I need dashboard, right? I would like to design now, right? So I need first report is services, right? I need first report is services. I just click on services and click on sales, right? The first table is there, right? Can I change here design? I choose style, right? Maybe blue color. You see also report layout, tabular form. The first is services, right? You see report layout, show in tabular, right? It's clear? Another thing you are doing here, right click on this table, right click, you see pivot table options. When my dashboards are updating, right, my column is not auto fit, right? You see this option you can uncheck, right? Auto fit column with on update, right? When I use the slicer, my data is updating, right? So my data is automatically settled down in pivot, right? I don't want, right? Otherwise, every time your column auto fit, right? I don't want to auto fit. I need my columns are actual, right? Cannot disturb my dashboard, right? So therefore, this option is unchecked. Then click OK, right? I click on this one. I put only sales spacebar enter. Is okay. Sales spacebar enter. Then you allow, right? If you write sales, then show message already exists, right? So just give one trick, give spacebar. Are you clear, brother? Are you clear? Done, sir? Done, miss? Done, brother? Okay, you just right click here, right click, you see number format, use a counting format. Okay. No problem, right? Just right click here, you see number format, then I choose accounting, symbols none, right? None, no currency sign, and 0 decimal, right? Click OK, right? My commas are coming, right? Okay, can you click on this one? Then I go to pivot table analyze. You see this is pivot table name, right? What is pivot table name is services. This table name is services, right? It's clear, sir? I have first tables are creating, right? Press Control A, Control C, copy. I just came one row down, right? Enter. New table is coming, right? Right now I don't need out services, right? I need outlets. I just remove from here services, drag and out, right? And put on outlets in the row, right? So my tables are generated outlets, right? I just came here, right? New table. You see here, right? On the right hand side, right? You just remove services. You select outlets. The outlets is coming, right? Is clear? So my outlet by sale is come, right? You press Control A, Control C. I came here, right? Down. Enter again, right? Okay, sir? So right now I use here weeks, right? I click on weeks. So my weekly sale is coming, right? Is okay? Is clear now? I just size are reduced are here, right? Little bit size are reduced. I just select this area, right? Up to this one. And give the color, right? background color gray like this, right? Light blue color as you want, right? Which texture you want, right? I just select the color, anyone. Maybe light blue, right? Maybe gray color. Is okay? I just select this one all. How many columns you want, right? Design there and click the color, right? I click here, this size also reduce. I click here 2 or 3 columns in right on the right side and give the color also, right? Is clear, miss? Okay, you just select this table outlets, give the name also, right? Go to pivot table analyze. This table name is outlets, right? I just give the name is outlets. I just select that second table, then go to pivot table analyze. You see, give the table name, right? Outlets. Is okay? You can select the third table, right? Third table name is weeks. Okay, I have defined the table names, right? Is that clear? Okay, can you choose first one, this one, right? Maybe week one, maybe services, right? I click on services. Is okay? Then go to pivot table analyze, pivot chart. Is okay, sir? Pivot chart. Which chart you want? Pie chart? I select pie, right? Okay, sir. Pie chart. Click OK, right? Pie chart is coming, right? So I settled down there, right? I just chart title move here, right? Do you know how can remove buttons? Right click, hide all buttons, right? Is okay? I don't need their legend, right? I don't need legends, delete, right? Okay, sir? Do you know how can link title with heading? I just take chart title, go to formula bar, equal sign, give the reference of services, right? Enter, right? Control B, bold, right? Bold, right? How can increase the size? Control Shift greater than sign. Control Shift greater than, right? Control Shift greater than. Increase font size, right? Control Shift greater than, right? Font size increase, right? Is that clear? Right now I select on this, right? Just right click here. You see data labels. You click on data labels, my value shows are there, right? Can I select numbers only?
Yes.
One more time click, right? Only one values are select, right? Then you can drag out, right? This one outside. The little lines come, right? I just right now drag out, right? I just drag here, right? Is clear? Can I select this one number only? Control B, right? Bold, right? Control Shift greater than sign. Okay, sir? Control Shift greater than sign. My font size increase, right? Okay, can I go to labels property, right? I want to show also category. Okay, this color which outlet, right? Which services shows, right? Control 1. When you press Control 1, my labels properties come, right? Control 1, right? Can you choose from option category? Click on category. So category is coming, right?
Where?
Control 1.
Control 1, right?
Yes. Category. Oh.
Is okay, miss? Control Shift less than, right? Then you can easily, right? Maintenance like this. Okay, right now I close this one, right? I close this also, right? My first chart is ready, right? Okay, can I do also here outlets? Okay, sir. I click on outlets. I go to again pivot table analyze. Okay, sir. Pivot table analyze. Then you click here, right? Pivot chart. You can choose here bar chart, right? Bar. Okay, sir. You choose here bar chart. Double click. So right now I have bar chart here, right? I settled down here, right? This one. You can firstly remove, right, outlets buttons. Right click, hide all buttons, right? My all buttons remove, right? Firstly, I came here, my value shows in thousands, maybe 100, right? So firstly, I can change this scale, right? This is actual values, okay? How can go these properties? Control 1 again. Select the y-axis, Control 1. You see on the right hand side, window is come, right? Display units. You see display units? You see again. I just select the number here, right? You see my numbers on the x-axis, right? I just select the x-axis. Control 1, right?
Control
1.
Okay. Format axis.
You see here, right?
Yes.
You see here display units. You can choose from here 100. So my value shows are 100, right? If I click here thousands, right? So my value shows are in thousands, right? Is okay, sir? Then you can select delete. After doing this exercise, delete, right? No need. Okay? I delete it.
Done.
Okay, sir? Can I select the bar? I just select the bar, right? Control 1 again. You can see gap width. You can reduce, right? The bar is bigger, right? You see, like this one, right? Bar is better, right? Right? Gap width reduce, right? You see gap width, right? When the gap was reduced, bar is bigger, right? You click on bucket. You see bucket? Fill, right? Vary colors. Is okay? I don't need legend also, right? Delete, right? Can you click on this bars? right click, add labels. So my value shows in front of this, right? Control B, right? Bold. Okay. You can also select this one, right? Control B. If you want to change the color, text color, you can choose text color from here, right? Black, blue, as you want, right? Do you know how can give the title also?
Yeah, reference.
Go to reference, very good. Equal sign, give the reference of outlets, right? Enter, right? And control B, bold, right? Control shift greater than, increase size. Is it clear? You can select the bar again. Just right click. You see sort. Smallest to largest. First option, right? Click on smallest to largest. My bar are adjusted, right? Accordingly, right? Which outlet is high, say, right? Is it clear? Last one, right? I choose last one. Then I can go to again pivotable analyze, pivot chart, maybe line chart with markers, line chart with marker, double click, it's clear. You can show values are here also, right? In thousand, you know how can do? Click on y-axis axis. Another technique also, double click. If you double click, properties open, right? Right? If you don't want control one, no need. Double click also, right? When you double click on this one, then I choose from here, value shows in thousands, right? You can choose here, right click, hide all buttons, right? Okay, sir. Legend and delete it, right? Okay, then I go to this side, plus sign. You see here grid lines. Grid lines, right? You click in the grid lines, primary and major vertical lines, right? You see like this, right? Then I choose here grid lines, primary, major, vertical and horizontal, right? You see plus sign, right? Click on the plus sign. You can choose from here grid lines. Then you can choose, right? Primary, major and primary, vertical. Is okay, sir? Can we change link title, right? Equal sign and give the reference of this, right? Weeks. You can see data labels. Control B, right? Firstly select Control B, bold, right? Okay, right? That's Control B here and text color change, right? Change the text color. Okay, can I define here, right? So the chart here, right? If you don't like this chart, you can also change, right? Sometimes you want to bar chart is better, right? You can select this one also, right click. You see change series chart type. Then you can choose bar chart, right? Then choose this one also, right? Maybe change the color. Text color you change, right? Blue.
Is that bar?
And right now you are also doing here, right? You click on there, right click, sort, right? Largest to smallest. Then my bars are changed, right? Accordingly, right? Week 6 is good, right?
Here, I select, I try to change the numbers.
What do you want?
No options.
What do you want? You want show in thousands? Okay. You just came on there, right? Double click here. Right? You can choose from here, right? Display units in thousands. Is that clear? Okay, right now I create right now one more thing. I click here my pivot table. Okay, sir. Then I go to pivot table analyze. You see insert slicer. Click on insert slicer. You choose here, right? Outlets, services, weeks, right? You can choose all 3 slicer, right? Click on pivot table analyze. Click on insert slicer, right? You can choose here outlets, services, weeks. Click OK, right? So my 3 slicer is coming, right? When slicer is coming, you see in the top slicer option is active, right? When slicer are creating, the slicer option is there, right? How many columns are there by default? 1. Can I change here? 2. Right? How many columns I would like to show? 2 columns, right? I just size reduce. You see style also here, right? Slicer styles. Can I choose here styles? Can you move here? Buttons are here, right? In the gray area.
How to remove title? Last time you told me.
Yes, I intend. Yes. You can remove, right? You want to change maybe, right?
Yeah, change or remove.
Yes, sir. I'll show. Just select this one, right? Okay. Just right click here. You see slicer settings.
Okay.
You put here, right? Display header, right?
Yeah.
You can maybe put here select weeks. You can type here select weeks, right? Okay. If you don't want to show header, you can uncheck, right? Also, right? Click OK. You see select weeks, right? Okay, sir. Can I do next one? Services, slicer. I choose option from here, right? Orange color, right? And 2 columns. And size are reduced, right? And bigger size. I'm also this one, right? And choose here. And choose color green. And 2 columns. I put here, right? Do you know how can change the heading? Yes, miss. How can change the heading? I just write here select services, right? Right? How can do? Otherwise, you can go another way. Slicer option. You see slicer setting also here, right? Slicer settings, right? I just change here, right? Select services, right? Select services, right? I'm also here, right? Right click. I came here, select outlet. Is it clear? Then you go view tab and grid line off, right? You can grid line off. Your dashboard is much more clear, right? You go to view tab, grid line uncheck, right? Is okay? Grid line off, right? Okay, sir. Can I select the slicer? This one? First slicer select, right? Just right click here. You see here report connections, right? Report connections. You can choose also this table. You can choose also weeks table, right? Because I have three pivot table, right? Because I can define the name. If don't define, I don't know, right? Which tables are there, right? So that is the benefit of the table. You can easily choose, right? Then click OK, right? You can do same exercise on services. You click here there, right click, report connection, then you can choose there, right? Then again go to select outlets, right click, report connections, select here, right? Then click OK. When you can choose option here catering, you see my charts are changed, right? All charts are changed, right? When you click on the cleaning is coming, right? When click on maintenance is coming, right? When I clear the filter, I just click on clear filter, right? Is okay? Done, miss? Done? Are you done, miss? Done, miss? Good. Are you clear, miss? Good. Okay, right now I am create one more table here, right? Okay, sir? Right now I come back in my database. I create one more copy, right? Control key hold and drag. I create one more table, right? I just create one more table here, right? Just drag, control key hold and drag. One more copy, right? This is another data is there, maybe. I just double click on there. Others, right? You can choose table name also here, right? You see table design? I came here, what is name, table name is? Others. Enter, right? Is okay, miss? Can I come on combine sheet? I came here, just right click, refresh. This data is updated. I come back to chart, my dashboard is here, right? I click here, then I go to pivot table analyze. You see refresh all, right? You click on refresh all, so my new services also add, right?
Wait. For the combined sheet, we have to go to combined sheet, right?
Yes.
In the combined sheet, we'll do refresh.
Yes.
Can you again?
Combined sheet, I will send you.
Okay, sir. Just create new table, right? Can you come back and combine?
Combine, yes.
Can you right click here on the table?
Okay.
Refresh. When you press refresh, table is updated here, right? You see new services add, right? No need to again doing same step, right? My all steps are automatically done, right? Behind it.
For the dashboard, how we refresh it?
Yeah, I just on the table, pivot table, right? Maybe you can right click here. You see refresh, right? But this is only one, right? But I need refresh all. You go to pivot table analyze. You see refresh arrow, refresh all, right? When you refresh all, my charts are updated,
The wet analysis.
right? So this is the beauty of this, right? When you added new tables, automatically tables are, charts are updating, right?
Yeah.
Same, but actually I added additionally.
That means,
Before was 3, now 4.
done, brother?
See, exactly. Why it was
Are you done, miss?
we can go solutions.
So that is the beauty of this, right? The query, right? Power query is save too much, save time, right?
Other,
Next time you just add, right? New table, right?
other.
When new table is coming, refresh.
Then
That's
you
it.
can put table design,
When new steps is coming,
table design.
refresh, right?
The name.
Okay, right now take a break, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, sir? You maybe take tea, you looking fresh also, right?
We need to refresh all.
The next exercise is append data from tables, workbooks. If you have a 10 workbooks, how can combine, right?
Yes,
So this is the benefit of the power query, right? Last time I cannot do this one, right? Last when I doing advanced Excel, at that time I not, right? So this time I'm adding. This one would be called right now times come for the Power BI, right? So firstly knows these steps. Is that clear?
You will give this video, correct?
The video is recorded, all these steps are recorded here. I will show